This tutorial will cover while loop. Sometimes we need to repeat same thing multiple times, and then we are not sure whether how many times we have to repeat, or the loop condition is not actually fixed size. For example, we repeat 10 times or 20 times and so on. Then we can use while loop. Again, most important thing is we repeat certain things. Then we are not sure how many times. Then of course we need to control the value. For example, if input is 0 or no or false, then we can stop our repetitions. So let me draw a simple flowchart. We start. Normally before while loop, we should have at least one input so that we can control while loop. And then conditional statement, or what we call as a decision symbol. If it's true, we go down process. Then we continue repeat. Let me draw the arrow clearly. Okay. So that's the while loop body. If condition is not true, we go outside while loop body. Then most likely we print output, then end our program. Here I will say count equal to 0. And then less than 100, that's the condition we have. Let's say I'll put condition as a question mark. That will be if statement. Welcome to Java. In this case, 100 times, because we start from 0, 1 to all the way to 99, that will be 100 times. So that's the one. I will say true. If its condition is true, we continue, repeat. Once we finish the condition or it doesn't meet the conditions, then we go to next statement, which is going to be output, in this case. So I will say print count so that we know how many times we print welcome to Java, and then we say end or stop. So most important thing here, we are just repeating certain things. In this case, welcome to Java. Even though I didn't put that details here, we need to control count variable after print welcome to Java. Maybe I may add it at the end. So while loop conditions, we say while loop continuation conditions, in this case count less than 100. And then loop body, we are referring to process called print welcome to Java. I will add that. After that, there should be count plus plus. We increase the counter by 1 after we print welcome to Java. So if you look at here, loop continuation condition is referring to count less than 100. Loop body, in this case, print welcome to Java. Then also counter. I will put it there. So if you look at curly blankets, we are referring to entering to decision, which is a count less than 100. Also exiting decision, that refers to opening and closing curly blankets. Okay, let me add counter here. We call it as a count, and then I will use plus plus. It means I will increase by 1. Seems like not enough space, but just say that's the process with the 2 statement. Okay, just create the Java application. Okay, I will use the name as it is. For the comments, I will say while loop. Like, for example, printing the welcome to Java maybe 100 times, or taking order maybe until we say no thank you. That one I will explain later on. So every program comes with 3 components: input, process, output. So here input, if you go back to flowcharts, I will repeat the same thing in coding. So our counter start with 0. Process. If the counter is less than 100, of course we are going to increase by 1 every time when we print welcome to Java on our screen. That will be our loop, while loop body. So if it's true, we say welcome to Java. Then we go to next line, means we will increase by 1. That means count plus plus. So we'll continue repeat. For example, increase by 1 at the beginning, of course, is 0. So count is 0. After statement 26, will increase by 1. So become 1. Count is become number 1. So number 1 after 26 will become number 2. Then eventually reach to, for example, 99. That would be 99. Still under the same conditions. It will reach to 100. When it's less than 100, 100 is less than 100. That's not true. So we go outside the while loop body, which is in the line number 28 this case. So here we are. If it's not true or false, means if the count less than 100 condition is not true or false, will be on this line. So what we are trying to do here, we will say how many times we print. So basically print count. Let's say clean and build, and then you can run your program. You can count if you want to. It will be 100 times. And then we print also 100. Value belongs to count variable. If you change to 5, it will be easy to verify. There are 5 statements. Number 5. This example is straightforward, but again, we should consider while loop when the loop condition is unknown. Okay, let's look at another example. Let me create a new Java class as a new application. Okay, I will just use it as it is. So this is a new applications. So we need to have main methods so that we can run this class as application. Just in case, it is okay to have multiple classes belongs to one project. Okay, we are going to introduce one input variable here, character type, answer. Default value is supposed to be no, or we can say same as a Boolean type, false. For now, we can keep it that way. So we will have a simple menu, like a small pizza shop. Has 3 menus. And then each time when customer orders something, we can choose menu between 1 or 2 or 3. And then normally we say, is there anything else? If there's no other order, then we can continue or not to continue with the same customer. Again, I will just make up pizza, salad, and then maybe drink. Simple instructions say select 1 or 2 or 3. So in this case, we need to get user input. Means we need to use scanner class. System in And then we have to import scanner class on the Java util package, because it's not a default Java language package. We need to import it. So let me create one variable so that we can save the order. Next, integer. It will be 1 over 2 over 3. Then we need to check our control variable so that we can control our while loop. So in this case, I will say simple questions. Do you want to process another order? Yes or no? Again, scanner class cannot deal with the character value directly. So you need to use next methods. Then you need to use character add, the first character, which is index value 0. So basically what happened here is that reading string value with the means double quotation marks, no or yes. Then we are converting to character value, which is a single quotation mark. So conversion is done by character at 0. So if you're not sure how to use a character string values, please look at my scanner class. Here I will just print order. Okay, we change to yes, means we will take a customer order by default. And then let me just deal with a bit of a spacing issue here. I think I will keep it as a single line. Pizza, number 2 salad, number 3 drink. Next, same line. I think I will put the same line. Here, another that should be a print. Then say yes and no. I think pretty much that's all. So if I say pizza, number 1, do you want to process? No. And then your order is number 1. We need to fix this problem. So if you go back to your source code, I think output we can put it inside while loop. If you look at here inside, we take a order. If answer is no or yes, it doesn't matter. We can print it out our order. It's make a lot more sense. Okay, let's see. So we order pizza, yes. Do you want to process another order? Yes. Our previous order shows up. And then let's order second one, salad. I will say no. Still our second order shows up. I think that's all. Thank you.